which is titled Completing the Quadratic Web. Pages 11 and 12. We will be answering the question, what is the connection? So question 49, you'll be doing at the end in your groups of 4. It says several parabolas and equations are shown below. Match each graph with its equation, justify your choices, and share any shortcuts you discovered with your teammates. Note, not every equation has a matching parabola. There will be some extras. So your equations, A through I, are right here. You're going to factor them if necessary, and then not all of them will be used, obviously, because there's only 6 up here and there's 9 choices. Okay? All right, we are going to do question number 15 together, which is titled Quality Control Part 1. Congratulations. With your promotion, you are now the Quality Assurance Representative at the Function Factory that makes parabolas for Functions of America. Your job is to make sure your clients are happy. Each parabola is ordered using its equation. Whenever a client writes to the company, you must reply with clear directions that will help the client order a parabola that meets his or her needs. Your boss has provided graphing technology and a team of fellow employees, and a team of fellow employees to help you fulfill your job description. Carefully read the complaints on the next page. Use your graphing calculator to study each situation. Work with your team to resolve each situation. Write each customer a friendly response that offers a solution to his or her problem. Remember that the customers are not parabola experts. Do not assume they know anything about parabolas. All right, turn over to the top of page 12. And we've got 3 letters of complaints from customers. Dear Miss Quadratic, I followed all of the directions given in your brochure on how to order a parabola. I tried to order a parabola that passed through the points 1, 0 and -6, 0, only to have you send me the wrong one. Please tell me how to order the correct parabola. Your immediate reply is appreciated. And this person is perturbed in Pennsylvania. Okay? So, what could possibly have happened with problem A? What do we got? We have a point at 1, 0 and -6, 0. Is that enough information for the company to make the correct parabola? No. What else would they need?
Line of symmetry?
A line of symmetry, or what's on the line of symmetry? The vertex, okay? Or to say which way it opens, up or down, okay? So they don't give you a whole lot of space. But what they want you to do is beneath it, for part A, equation for customer A, they want you to write, okay, the person didn't tell you which way it opens. It could have been x minus 1 and x plus 6 if it opened up, or it could have been negative x minus 1 times x plus 6 if it opened down, or they could have given us a vertex. Okay? So these are all the problems with A. So we need more information from that person to help us get the correct parabola. Okay? Person B says, Dear Miss Quadratic, I am very disappointed. I want a parabola that hits the x-axis only once at 5, 0. Yet I see no mention of this type of parabola in your pamphlet. Your company mission statement assures me that my needs will be met no matter what. How should I order my special parabola. So what's wrong with B? Similar things that were wrong with A, right? Okay. They only want it to touch the x-axis once, but what else do they need to tell us? Yes, whether it opens up or down. What were you going to say? Okay, well, we can assume that if it only touches the parabola once, that would be the vertex, right? Because if it's not on the x-axis, then it's going to go through it twice. Okay, so for B, it could either be the equation x minus 5 squared if it's opening up, or it could be negative x minus 5 squared if it's opening down. So basically this person needs to tell us whether it's opening up or down. Okay. And C says, Dear Miss Quadratic, please help. I have searched through your entire brochure and do not see a parabola that fits my needs. All I want is a parabola that looks like this. Every time I order this parabola, you send me a different one. I refuse to pay for any parabola but the one shown above. Please tell me how I should find an equation of this parabola, or I will take my business elsewhere. Agitated in Alaska. Okay. So this person needs to figure out where the intercepts are at. So where's this intercept? Where's it crossing the x-axis right there? -3, and where's this one? +2. So we want to use the opposite of the zero product property, right? So we're going to say x plus 3 and x minus 2. Remember, these are the opposites. And we want it to open down. So we're going to put a negative sign out front. Okay? That person should use that equation right there, that exact equation. Okay? We are not going to do question number 51, so go ahead and write skip. And then turn back over to page 11.